If you've been formulating up a storm and gifting lots of your gorgeous handmade creations to your friends and family, there's a decent chance that a couple people you know have possibly expressed some interest in starting to make all kinds of fun things for themselves. Not only is this very exciting because formulating is so much fun and it's wonderful to have formulating friends who will come over and make things with you, but it's also very fun because it gives you the opportunity to buy them and gift them some awesome supplies so that they can really get into making stuff and you can share the DIY love. So today I thought I would share some suggestions for things to get friends who seem like they're interested in getting into making. First things first, it's a good idea to get a general feel for what they're interested in making. Some people are really bitten by the soaping bug. Some people really just want to be able to make as many bath bombs as they could ever use. Some people are really interested in makeup, other people more in skincare, hair care. So see if you can kind of put out some feelers and figure out what they're interested in, and then let that interest sort of guide your purchasing decisions. If they have a really specific interest in something like soap or candles or bath bombs, consider purchasing or creating a kit for them. Brambleberry sells a lot of really beautiful kits, so if you are in the States, that can be an absolutely great place to start. If you already have formulations for something that you know that they're interested in making that have been absolutely tried and true for you, go ahead and make them a kit of the different ingredients they'll need. You can print them out, the formulation. If it's one of mine, go ahead and send them a blog post and a link to the video, and you can make them like a kit so that they can have everything that they need to make bath bombs right away. And you, knowing your friends, you can choose molds that they might like, scents that they might like, colors that you think they'll like. Oh, very exciting. If your recipient is more interested in kind of general DIYing, bit of skincare here, bit of hair care there, Humblebee has created a kit of the 10 ingredients that I recommend getting started with. I will link to the 2 blog posts that I did on those ingredients and to the kit in the description box below this video. Some safe bets on the equipment side of things would be a good scale, a bouquet of spatulas, or a collection of beakers in different sizes. If you're looking for more information on kind of what to consider when buying that equipment, definitely check out the 2-part series that I did on equipment for new formulators. I've included a lot of different details and things to consider about the spatulas and the scales and the beakers and whatnot in those posts, so I'll link to those in the description box below too. If they're interested in making makeup, of course, I highly recommend my very own book, Make It Up: The Essential Guide to DIY Makeup and Skincare. It's a really great place to get started making your own colorful cosmetics. If your giftee is really into the idea of zero waste and reducing packaging, you can also look at buying some really cute, useful silicone molds so that they can create freestanding formulations, package-free formulations, shampoo bars, conditioner bars, body butter bars, all kinds of fun things. You could also consider looking up a few formulations for some of those items. I have a lot of them over at humblebeeandme.com, and providing them with some of the ingredients that they need to maybe make just 1 or 2 things plus the molds, and kind of get them started on making all kinds of gorgeous things that don't require any packaging. All right, so those are my ideas for gifts for friends and family who might be interested in getting into making things. Nothing mentioned in this video was sponsored or a paid placement, but full disclosure, I have received free items from both Humblebee and Brambleberry in the past year. Happy holiday shopping, and I'll see you later.